fucking, what the fuck are you doing?
You should be able to feel it.
You're still too high. What?
Yeah, you could feel
I
it.
said, you gotta pound it lower, so. That's why I use a quality bondo, Bruce, because it's easy to work with it.
Yeah.
You know, you use garbage, it's like unbelievable.
So you just put the margoss, that's the green stuff, the fiberglass stuff?
Yeah, and I grind that down with a grinder. I don't sand that stuff.
Yeah.
And now I just block it down. I could use an orbital too, but
Yeah, it's rounded, so it's hard to do.
that guy. Yeah, it is hard to do, but believe it or not, everybody, oh, it's round, it's easy. No, it's not.
Flat's easy.
Flat, high, you know.
Yeah.
You gotta be on top of it.
Did you talk to that guy about all the that inner shit falling off there, all the tank sealing?
No. I bought the block sand from.
Oh, you sanded down this whole side of the tank too.
Yeah, I got a little bit fixed that.
You got to sand this side down too, then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We will sand that. Gonna be primed today. I might even re-prime it today again. We'll see. Yeah. I prime this and prime the stitch, but I don't know yet.
And what's that grit there?
80. 80. I don't go 40. Like guys using 40. That's just nasty.
Yeah.
Maybe in a big area I would have a long one. I would do that, but that's not my style. No, round is a tricky. I tell you that's not.
It's gotta be. That's why I thought that profile thing, you know, just to see if you know if you're in the ballpark.
No, I'm in ballpark, right?
Yeah, it came with the house I buy. All kinds of shit came with that house, eh? We found an old metal tin whistle in the garage the other day. It was in like, he had all his nails in mason jars.
Yeah.
I was opening up the mason jars, cleaning up the shelf.
Yeah.
And a little tin whistle from like, I looked it up on eBay, like 1962, 63.
Nice.
A penguin.
Yeah.
And you blow it,
Yeah.
it's brand new.
Oh,
Beautiful,
God.
brand new. So I saw one on eBay sold for $15 US.
Yeah. Oh, a little bit.
Just a little, about 2 inches,
Yeah.
1.5, 2 inches
My
long.
God. Fucking people and everything.
Yeah, forever.
Yeah.
Well, I was watching, you watch one video and it leads to the next video. And there was a video there on the Captain America motorcycle from Easy Riders. The one with the American flag on the fuel tank.
Yeah.
And I guess the one sold for $1.3 million, I think it was.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I think it was the last one left. I think there was 4 bikes altogether.
No.
And Dennis Hopper's bikes were all stolen, so there isn't any originals of that one.
Oh, right.
But there's all kinds of guys making them in the States.
Yeah.
But they're putting newer engines in them, disc brakes front and back. The original bike only had a drum rear brake, no front brakes. And these guys are selling these things and making some for over $100,000.
My God. They used to be one like that in Czechoslovakia with flathead. The guy made it. Bruce, you couldn't tell from original to.
Yeah. They were panheads. 50
and it was sitting outside always.
Yeah.
And we used to, like, kids drooling. My God, where did this thing come from? It was exactly the forks, exactly everything. I was blown away. Way back, I could have bought it for $200.
Oh my God! They're selling. You can have the original panheads now. They're selling for a fortune.
We didn't know the companies. If I knew the companies collapsed, Bruce, the 4x8 sheets, a copper like that.
Oh yeah.
Used to cost 250, 300 crowns, $6. $6
for copper.
Copper.
Holy crap! Wow.
Some of them even cheaper. It was a peanuts.
Holy
Can you imagine? I would just stock up a shop with copper. I'd be a millionaire overnight. As soon as the border was
I'm
open.
thinking what to be worth now. Hundreds of dollars each, if not 1,000 maybe.
Was
it how thick was it?
These days, 4x8 sheets copper like that.
Yeah.
Let's say
that's half
less than a 1/8 thick.
Yeah.
Like a 22 gauge, 20 gauge. It's 600, 800.
Holy crap!
Yeah. That's how much that stuff is. It's insane for that copper is worth now.
Hey, that's smoothing out all the humps, yeah?
I did. I got so lots to take it down. I put it a little bit more on. I always do it. And if I can make with one coat, then I'm laughing.
Yeah, that was a big dent, really big dent, and big
That
tree.
was insane. That was insane. You can start see through.
Yeah, and down to the metal.
Yeah.
Right. So did you have to put any more heat on after I left, or was it pretty much done?
No, that was done. I just
Just
hammer it down a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of those replica Captain America bikes, but they're all, newer style brakes and lights. And,
I'm just surprised people would pay that kind of
oh,
money.
it's crazy.
My boss,
make your own.
my boss just got from Florida, and he said it's expensive. Exchange a dollar
Yeah.
plus pay for hotels like the condo, whatever. And he said I don't even know. Went for 2 weeks, $6,000.
Wow.
Yeah, and he drove it there.
Oh, and he drove there.
Yeah, and a little Toyota. But he said you take hotel when you go there. You take you there in like a condominium, and he thought would be a little bit nicer. He said wasn't that bad, but pay for the hotel, and he said you gotta add over $700. You have to add just exchange money on that. So he said, well, same with Sadzi. He drove a motorhome. I don't think so. He will go there again.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah. Less and less people. You cannot afford it. Fuck.
Yeah.
I guess,
It's like California's so expensive. It's
everything.
so many poor people there.
Everything is
Yeah, it's coming up pretty smooth there now.
It's coming. I usually put one coat. I like to put nice and smooth. So, and I work it out with every directions I like.
Yeah. These are ready for primer here now? They're done?
Yeah, a little bit sharp spot. You just take it out with 2 points. A little bit.
Front fender didn't get damaged at all, eh?
A little scrape.
Just in the clear. Yeah, that's done. He's having to strip it all down. Pretty damn good. Got my Norton pulled out. Just gonna marglass these in. Bondo. Got this all cleaned up. That took me over an hour.
To people anymore, fucking. I'm not a
It
great.
takes years of experience, so to learn, people think that they're doing that all.
They don't want to go to school. They don't want to learn what chemicals does. So, oh yeah, my body fucking. He told me this, and that's it. But your body, well, he learned on your own. Testing, fucking.
This is the marglass stuff?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was the green stuff.
No, this is from Germany. Yeah, this is from Germany. Actually, I didn't like it from the start, but then you start working with it, and fucking. Actually, it's really fucking good. The green stuff, it's like. I don't know. It's butch.
Well, it's got the material, so it's thicker when it goes on, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just. I'm telling you, There are good stuff on the market. You just have to try it.
You want to put some of that in that bowl? You want to put in that bowl? Or?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it fills out right in.
Yeah. Like this stuff.
Huh.
Bruce, you have to chisel it out. It's like it's not like used to be bondo fucking. This stuff is better than lead. You know, all the guys, oh yeah, I done my lead. Yeah, well fucking lead's got acid. Then you have to epoxy it so the acid doesn't bleed through fucking primer and all the problems.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
We did that on my Cowie thing. We used that lead acid. The next day, the whole fucking tank was rust.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that stuff was strong.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. There's a guy on eBay selling one of these stripped down to the steel tank. He was asking $1,000 original tank stripped to steel. Now he's dropped down to $850. There's some pretty good aftermarket ones. Amigo makes one for I think they're on $400 or something.
I like the fucking aluminum ones. Fuck.
Yeah. I'd love to have one like this, but gallon bigger, 1 or 2 gallons bigger.
Yeah. That's why I made that fucking gas thing. That's why I need the shots in there, everything, so I can get as maximum I can get.
Make it out of aluminum.
Oh, I can wait. I never heard Golding with the 4-cylinder,
4 to 1. No.
Never heard. Because the two mufflers always. I never like that sound.
No. Putt. Oh, I just finished working on my tank and tank that Harley. Peter's working on that one. And I dropped my fucking tank on the cement floor. Oh my god. That's why you see when I'm Peter's putting the Mar-glass on there on the front left-hand corner now. We had a little dent in there, dropped. Luckily it was not a crease or anything, just a round dent. We pulled it out with a little spot welder. I forgot what the thing's called, but more work. But we pulled it out. He's put a little Mar-glass over it. Got the other holes all filled in, so tomorrow night we'll start sanding that down. He's too busy trying to get that Harley done for this guy, and the paint that he had on there, that brown paint, didn't properly cure. The guy, when he took his Peter painted for him like a year or so ago, and Peter said, you know, you're not going to put that on your bike. Like, I just painted it today, and you've got to let it cure for a few days. Well, the guy took it home, put it on his bike, and went on a road rally with the bike, and it never cured. It's on that Harley, on the center portion of it is where the rubber belt, the rubber strap goes, or the leather piece goes right across the front of your tank there. It's about 4 or 5 inches wide across the whole front of the tank there, right straight down to the seat. And so the paint underneath there never really cured, never got into the sun, never really got any air on it. And so I always end up sanding down that whole tank. And this time he's not going to give it to the guy until it's cured. Like, he just painted it at night, the paint was still soft, and he put it on his bike, poured gas in it, and took off. So that's what's going on. That's why he had to sand that tank all down. What else? Yeah, so there's my Norton tank. Got the Mar-glass on it finally. Hopefully tomorrow we can sand it, get a little bit of bondo on it, maybe it needs a little bit, and get it ready for primer. Oh, I can't wait till that's done. And you're going to see which color I'm going with here in the end. I keep changing my mind. I keep flipping and flopping, so you're going to see in the end what color it's going to be. Okay, that's it for tonight.